Because if you've been flying a 3.5 channel, you expect it to do the same thing.
This turns with the right stick. Probably because it's on mode 2, it's on channel 4.
Right, so you can change it. So you can change it to like left or right handed pretty much. Yeah.
Most of them will come like mode 1 or 2.
Aye. Give me a fresh battery. What do you mean?
You like to let the motor cool down. I mean, it's harder to do circles with that. Like nose in and that.
Aye.
So the other one's easier to fly then? The 52?
It's easier to fly. Well, once you switch back.
Right.
Once you switch your mindset over.
Ah, you're trying to rethink again.
Aye.
What's that you just done?
Camera.
So there was 8 copters here with all different controllers, bags of stuff, the repair kit. We normally come down with a
Fucking no way. How to see the 1 week that we know.
It's not very good, this.
What?
You can't see it on the screen. See,
Aye, you didn't need to watch your screen. Pointing in the right direction, it's far enough away.
so you've got to hope that you're getting it.
That video is going to be good.
You've seen the ones where your dad was laughing at me ducking.
No,
I just got the helicopter and stuck it above his head. Okay.
Mac BHD, Mac back hook down. So you just do a search for it. But there again, if they've subscribed to it, see, whoa. If they've subscribed to it,
He's like, what?
if they've subscribed to it, it's easy enough found. You just go to what your subscriptions are and find any of them.
Gets that certain height there, it's getting that bob.
Let's do some
That plane was going at some speed, was it not?
the way it was done like that. At the Edinburgh Airport, it's quite smooth. Back like that. Well, no straight at Edinburgh Airport, they didn't. I love it when you're going into Edinburgh Airport and you look at the window, you just see the Forth Road Bridge and that just going either into sight or out of sight, depending on which way they're in.
Oh, you want to go further forward then?
Well, just walk forward forward. Just knows if anybody can run up, I'll take them.
And comes back at speed. I didn't think you meant that way, I thought you meant that way.
You wanted to get a good view on the camera, eh?
You never got the camera because I took it off.
Then they do that. You put them up and the Americans are looking at them and they'll be like, what? You telling peace, bud?